Well, hey, my prepper friends, just another day out here looking at the squash beetles, trying to eradicate them with the best pesticide there is, fire. So, the victims ready to go, and I'm not quite sure what's happening here, but there they are right there. And there's two of them, and they're butted up against each other. I think they're making whoopee. That's what's going on. So they'll both fall together once we burn them. And we'll get them on the ground and take care of them. So here we go. Oh, there's one. I got the one. It's all burned up. What happened to the other one? He must have dropped. Where did he go? Oh, there he is, guys. He's fried. All right. There's two more down. This guy just needs to drop off. Woohoo! Got him. Happy hunting.